Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Lloydminster, Border City. Detailing this beautiful 2022 Ford Explorer XLT. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2.5-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2022 Explorer also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings as a door storage. Making our way in the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our cruise control option on the left, and our meeting hatchery option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror on the cabin lighting. Looking forward, you can see this 2022 Explorer has 57,452 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford Explorer ST line, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.